your phone in a vertical direction or a horizontal direction. You just need an A4 paper, nothing else. No cutting, no tipping and no gluing. To make an origami phone stand, you need an A4 paper. So let's start by folding the paper into half like this and crease sharply. Unfold. Now you see we have a middle line. So let's fold these two corners to the middle line. Unfold, rotate 180 degrees and do the same. Now you have to fold these two corners over here. So they align. Do the same with this side. Okay, now you have to fold this flap up. How much it goes when it stops going? This point is pointed. Do the same with this side. Sharply. Unfold these two flaps, but not this. These two flaps, and then fold it again. Now you have to turn over like this. Now you see we have made some creases. Now we have to fold these two flaps up so that they originate at these points which I have marked. So the fold directly goes and stops at this point. So let's fold it like this. I have marked the creases so I can explain you all well. Unfold, and now you have to do the same manner but in the opposite direction. So it originates at this point and they directly go in it at these 2 points. So let's fold them up like this. First right side and now the left side. I'll show you the left side again. It originates at this point and goes directly this point. Like this. Now we have to fold these two flaps up again. And now we have to turn it over. Now you see that we have a figure like this. Now we have to fold this flap up so it goes till this point. It goes till this point. Yes. Now the finishing touch. We have to fold this flap up, down, and this flap down. Now we have to take the paper like this, and the last step is to push, push and push. Now you see we almost have done making it. Now we have to flatten it from up like this, like this. So now we have to fold it. So the fold just ends like this. Right? So as you all can see, a crease I have made. So you have to just end it up inside and flatten it. And you can even use glue if required to glue up this edge, and now flip it, and here is your phone stand. Now as you see, if I keep a phone over here in a vertical manner, it would keep, and in a horizontal manner also it would keep. Friends, make these mobile stands and give it to your parents. I'm sure they are going to like this and it's going to be very useful. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.